Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best LCD screen repair kit reviews. Description: open your phone in a snap, a good phone opening tool, ergonomic design, easy to use and handle, spring design inside the handle, the suctions may have a little rust or other appearance, minor defect. It does not affect the function, specific ATN, net weight, 70G, pliers size, 160 by 74 mm, sucker dimension, 45 mm.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.